You guys are talkative now. All right, you guys ready? All right, let's go. Come on, guys. Oh, you a little guy. Come on, you. Come on. Oh, you guys are tiny, tiny. Holy cow. Look at you guys. All right. Hey. Over here, guys. Open. Friends. Come on. Uh-huh. Hey, little guy. Hey. All right, come on. Come on, guys. Technically gals. Happy Mother's Day, peoples. Oh, you're fresh too. You're a new one. All right, y'all are mothers now. Happy Mother's Day. Now move. Hey, little guy. Oh, you gonna let me pet you? You were just born. You were just born. You a baby, baby. You a baby, baby. Come on. Oh, you baby, baby too. Not as baby, but. Oh yeah, you're still learning to walk. Hi, buddy. All right, let's go. Come on. Come on. Oh, I love lambs. Come on. Come on. A little more. You're okay, Mama. Go on. Hey. Hey. You down there. Your mom went that way. Don't come towards me. Hi, little guy. Wait. What are you doing? What are you doing? Go that way. I know you're panicking. Come on. Okay. I was gonna have to grab you. All right, there you go. Yep, opening. There. Go. Go on. Go see your friends. Go on. Come on. Go on, guys. You're almost there. There you go. Fresh grass. There's your mama's. I love seeing sheep on the hillside. Okay. Bye, buddy.